Hello guys and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate talking avatars or talking videos.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model. Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you? This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
Now most AI tools are able to generate or create hyper-realistic videos, but when it comes to adding lip sync or when it comes to adding speech, most of them can't do that. That's where Kling AI comes in. This is one of the best AI tools that you can use to add speech to your AI avatars. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exactly do that. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Before I get further into it, I just kindly request you to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. I'd really appreciate that. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to log into Kling AI, and then on the left bar you can see we have AI assets and we have AI images and then AI videos. So we're going to use these AI videos. So click on it. We're going to use Kling 1.6, which is the newest version or model of Kling AI. And from here, we're going to use the lip sync option. And now here we have an option either to upload a video clip that we want to add at the lip sync. And that should be a short clip. And Kling supports video formats of MP4 or MOV files. And it should be at least 100 MBs maximum. And the quality either 720p or 1080p and a maximum of 10 seconds in length. So here, go ahead and drop your video here. But for my case, I'm not going to drop here one. I'm going to use the already pre-made videos. We have here videos. I want to use an avatar that is not talking, and we'll see how this tool will add speech on it. Let me tap on this. As you can see, if we play it, it has no lip sync. The lips are not moving. So we want to make these lips move, and at the same time, this avatar should speak. Now, once you have selected your avatar or you have uploaded your avatar here, go ahead and input your text here, putting into consideration that this is a 5 seconds clip. So I'll try this. My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please? I'll go ahead and select the voice. We have the voices here. So you can either sample through all of them. Alternatively, you can use the categories as you can see here. Instead of going through all of them, this is a girl, so I'll sample through girls' voices. Let's see.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
Great, we have that, and we have this.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
So let me go with Blossom, the first one. Then you can add emotion. You can leave it to be neutral and then it will just follow as it is. Or you can add emotion such as happy. If we add happy, you can sample through and see.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
That is happy. What about sad? Let's see sad.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
What about surprised? Let's see surprised.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
That is sad. So I'll just go and leave it to neutral.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please?
I think that is okay. I'm okay with that. So once you're done, it's time to go ahead and generate. 5 credits will be used from our initial 156 credits that we have. And as you can see, this will last for 5.7 seconds. Now you can see the presets of what you have just chosen are here. So to generate, go ahead and click on generate. And then this tool will go ahead and generate. We're told that this video is supposed to be only 5 seconds. So we have to go ahead and crop this. So it is okay. We shall crop that. So I'll confirm cropping. And this tool will go ahead and generate our talking avatar video. So you have to know that sometimes Kling may take time to generate your avatar. As you can see, I have a waiting time of 13 minutes. So I'll forward this to the end. And now after several minutes of processing, we finally have our video ready. So let's go ahead and see. So I'll play it.
My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please? My name is Lynn. I am an AI avatar. Can you tell me your name, please? My name.
Right, so you realize that the other part was cropped because the words were too long. The last word place was not captured in full. So I also went ahead and created the other avatars, and these came out perfectly. Now let's go ahead and also listen into the other avatars that I created and added speech to. I also have this.
Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model. Hey there. My name is Mario, and I am an AI model.
And I also created this.
This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you? This is a beautiful day. What can I do for you?
Right, and as you can see, this came out perfectly fine, and the lip syncs well with the words. So once you're done, it's time to download. So to download, just click on this download button here, and this will be downloaded straight to your computer, and then you can now play it externally. One thing you have to note is that if you are using free account, your downloads will come with a watermark at the bottom right corner here, and this will apply to all your videos unless you upgrade. So that's how you can create your speaking avatars using Kling AI. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.